Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my first project. I had this in my shop and I was needing to put these shelves in right there, and on top. And finally got those in. And this is going to be the first project for the feral cat rescue. Here's my question. I've got to clean it off. I'll blow it off with a leaf blower and wipe it down with a broom, but it'll be clean. But should I polyurethane it? That'll darken it up just a hair and shine it up. Should I polyurethane these and paint these? The only thing about painting, a lot of you paint something, people, if it was only of tapioca colored, I'd buy it, you know. Or do I just leave the whole thing raw and let them have it? I've got, the crates are $5 a piece. And I've had some casters on there, as you can see, that lock. Got 4 of those, so they were about $5 a piece. So I've got $35 in it as it sits. And what should I do with it? Let me know down in the comment section, and give me some ideas. And also too, what should I charge for it? I got $35 in it. I'd like to get that money back. You know, sometimes it don't always happen, but hopefully it would. And the flea market's closed for a while, so it'll be a while before it goes to the flea market, but I'll update you when it does and remind you what we sold it for. But this is the 3 crate project, and don't worry, you ain't gonna hurt my feelings. You know, if it looks like junk and I need to keep it in my shop to store stuff on, that's fine too, because I do need some shelf space. So give me your thoughts. You will not hurt my feelings. And look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.